This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we'll discuss some programs and examples of preset and PSET statements in GW Basic Programming Language for the chapter graphics. So let's start. We'll give some explanation for it. So basically preset and PSET statements are used to draw a specified point on the screen. So this is the explanation of this topic, preset and PSET, and the syntax of these two statements are: for preset, here we'll type step and then x, y, and then color, here we'll type color. Likewise for PSET, we will type PSET and then step. Likewise we typed for preset, and then x, y will be enclosed in parentheses, and then comma, and then color. Color will be of your choice. So this is the syntax of these two statements. Now we'll discuss the description. Or you can call the parameters. So first we will discuss the step keyword used with this. So it is actually used to specify that the x single precision and y single precision are expressed relative to the current graphics cursor location. Now we'll discuss the x and y, what they are actually, enclosed in parentheses, mentioned with the preset and PSET statements. So the screen coordinates of the pixel to be set. Now we'll discuss the color keyword used with the PSET and preset statement above. A color attribute that sets the pixel color if background and PSET uses the current background. Okay, if color is omitted, preset uses the current background and PSET uses the current foreground color. So there's a difference between these two statements used with the color attribute. PSET uses the current background, PSET uses the current foreground color. So available color attributes depend on your graphics adapter and screen mode. Coordinate values depend on the graphics adapter, screen mode, and most recent view and window statements. Now we'll give examples and we'll then execute that example as well in the editor of the GW Basic. Example is okay. So first we will, in line 10, we'll type the RAM statement and we'll type this example requires a color graphics adapter. In line 20 we will type screen, or we'll type CLS statement. Line 30 we will type screen 9. This is the best screen mode which is used for using the presets statements, because I've used screen 1, 2, 9, 0, but this statement 9 is the best one, so I'm gonna recommend and will use this one for using the preset statement for I and 40. For I percent equal to 0 to 320. Line 50 PSET I percent comma 100. For line 60 for delay percent equal to 1 to 100. Next, delay percent line 70 preset I percent comma 100. In line 80 we'll type next I. So this for loop will be used as a nested for loop. So I'm gonna execute this program in the GW Basic IDE. So let's switch to the IDE, viewers. Here we are. We will type line 10 RAM. This example requires a color graphics adapter. Line 20 we will type CLS. Line 30 we will type screen 9, the best screen mode used for PSET. Line 40 for I percent equal to 0 to 320. Line 50 we'll type PSET I percent comma 100. Line 60 we will type for delay percent. It's a numeric variable, so we have used the symbol percent to 100. Next, delay percent. Line 70 we will type P preset and then type I percent comma 100. Line 80 we will type next I percent. Outer loop we have used I percent variable with the outer loop and used delay percent with the inner loop. both are counter loop. Line 90 will type E in the end. Now press the F4 key and type PSET1.bas, PSET2.bs, the name of the file. Then we'll press the F2 key, and we can see this is how this. We can again press the F2 key and see that the movement of the point pixel is preset is actually used to show a point as specified on the screen, since we can see the movement of the point that is used with the PSET and preset statement. So if you want to change the color of that particular pixel, we can change always the edit. We can edit the line 50 and type color as, we can type comma and then type like a color like 6, and then if you press the F2 key, so you can see a brown color pixel on the screen. So if you want to change a different color, then we can type, we can just change the line 50 and type edit 50 and give a different color number, like I'm gonna give 2 over here, and then press the F2 key, a green color. Likewise, if we want to change, then I can type once again. Every time I change the value of this color, I can see a different color on the screen of the pixel, a blue one, a turquoise one. And if I type like once again 4, so every time I change the value, you can see a different color, red one. And if I type here like 5 and press the F2 key, you can see a different one. So remember, this is the best one, screen mode 9, which I observed during my studies in learning and teaching and studying GWC programming language, because I have used all other screen modes and tried to execute them, but this screen mode is the best feasible one which I can use, and I can recommend to you guys to use this while using the PSET and preset statement. So every time I change the PSET color number, I can see a different color. Like here you can see a different color. And if I type one more, so I'm gonna show you all of the numbers, the different value have a different color. And if I type I type 8, you can see a different color. And if I type one more, by adding one more number and type 9, you see a different color. Then if I type 10, then you can see a different color, green one, and brighter color. Type a different one, 11. See, so all the color number which are greater than 9, like 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, they are all brighter than all those which are starting from 0 till 9. So if I give a different color, you will see a brighter one once again. These are all brighter one. And I'll give 13, you can see a different one as well. So you can see every time I change the value of the color, I can see a different color on the screen. Like if I type this, a different color, and I'll type 15, a different color. I'll type 16, and you can see a different color. Type 17, once again a different color. So every time I change the value, I can see a different color. So viewers, that was the code of that program, and we have executed it successfully and saved it with the name PSET2.bas. Now I'm gonna interpret the execution of the program line by line. So let's switch to the text area, viewers. So here's the interpretation of this program, viewers. In line Line 10, RAM statement is used to give a remark that this example requires color graphics adapter. In line 20, CLS statement is used to clear the contents of the screen. In line 30, screen 9 statement is used, which is useful and make environment and provide environment to use PSET and preset statements. In line 40, for loop is used with integer variable named I% with initial value 0 and final value 320. In line 50, PSET statement is used with x coordinates as I% and y coordinates as 100, where 12 is the color number used to display pixel, a point on the screen. So you can call a pixel is a dot, a picture element, pixel, small dot on the screen. In line 60, inner counter loop for is used with integer variable named delay % with initial value 1 and final value 100. And then next statement is used to terminate the execution of this loop. Line 70, preset statement is used having x coordinate as I% and y coordinate as 100. In line 80, next I% is used to terminate the execution of the outer for loop used in line 40. In line 90, AND statement is used, which will physically stop and the GW basic main program. That's all, viewers. We have discussed today the syntax, the example, the color, x and y coordinates, step, description and parameters of these two statements, preset and pset. Is very important in GWBC programming language graphics chapter. We have discussed and executed this whole program and see the output, how that dot can be moved with a delay on the screen, and like it is like moving object on the screen. So it is very helpful for moving the object. By using this statement we can print anything on the screen, but PSET is actually used to display a point on a specified point, a point, a pixel, a small dot on the screen. That's all, viewers. Thanks for watching.